down. No, I can't resist. Roll the window down. Roll the window down. I ain't resist at all. This just slammed me on my head and put his knee in my face. And you think it's funny? Alright, suck my gay bitch, cause he really did that, my nigga, on my mother. I ain't do shit. I ain't even resist. How am I resist these? Guess who are you sitting back there smiling? How come I resist against these two big ass cops? The nigga, he got mad cause I said something and then he got to slam me. He slammed me from over here all the way over there, jumped, put his knee in my face, my arm on my neck. I said I can't breathe, and he said, then he threatened to say he gonna me up and everything. I swear to God, everything I love. Did he or did he not? Then he said he gonna me up, and that's why I started wilding.
You didn't say that, did you not?
No, not him. Not him. The one back there. No. I swear. Alright, now I'm lying. Now I'm lying. Why, yo, come on, bro. You really gonna be a cop like that? Huh?
Go ahead.
You really gonna be a cop like that? He didn't do that? He didn't do that? So that's not what happened. I bet.
1327.
I bet. I swear to God on everything I love, yo, y'all hoes. Y'all ain't no. Bitch ass. Bitch ass. I'ma break this shit. I'ma break it. Cause you lying, bro. How you gonna lie? I thought that's supposed to hear. I help the community, my nigga. He slammed me and put his knee in my neck. You watch. And then you gonna pick me up on my hair? You gay as hell, my nigga. My mother you gay. I'ma kill all y'all. Watch. Watch. Yo, watch.
Stop kicking, stop stressing, stop kicking me in the balls.
Yo,
stop kicking me in the balls.
Go get put me in a different car. Yo, he just punched me in my face, yo.
Just shit down there.
Yo, he just punched me in my face.
This asshole just kicked me in the nuts.
I kicked you in your nuts. He lying. I swear to God, he lying. He punched me in my face. Yo, this bro. He just punched me in my shit. Look at my eye.
Didn't I tell you to stop?
I didn't do nothing.